Right, so we are continuing to watch potential tropical system 1. The center of circulation is still off to the west side of the Florida Peninsula, but it's really lopsided, and I'll show you what I mean in just 1 minute. So all of the action happening on the east side, whereas dry air is moving in on the west. The center of circulation going to be making its way across the Florida Peninsula and then moving out into the open Atlantic sometime later this evening into early tomorrow morning, and they're likely gaining a bit more strength. But I do want to talk to you about what we're seeing on our Fox 35 storm tracker radar. As you saw, that center is out over here on the west side. It's very dry, but out to the east where all that heavy rain is falling toward Cape Coral right now, Miami, Coral Springs, as well as in Wellington. Want to zoom you right on in. You can see Jupiter getting that light to moderate rain. But the further north we go, we're actually seeing a lot less rain. We're not even hearing any of those raindrops right now on our Fox 35 storm tracker radar, more through the Orlando metro into Oviedo and then along our east coast. So really, who's going to be seeing the heaviest rain throughout the remainder of today is going to be Osceola and Brevard counties. Those are the areas that are still under some tropical watches. So now we're going to send things over to Chief Meteorologist Jamie King. How is it looking out there?
Well, you mentioned Osceola in southern Brevard County. Allison, great job, by the way, navigating that Fox 35 storm tracker radar. So we continue with our wording for our Fox 35 storm alert day here for you. And it's Polk, it's Osceola, it's Brevard County in our immediate viewing area. Still under a Fox 35 weather alert now. We've got tropical storm warnings there, and that goes all the way down the gut of the Florida Peninsula. Now, that center of circulation, very ill-defined, hard to find right now. It's kind of a naked swirl. You can see it right there. So all the rain is kind of separated from this. As we told you yesterday, we weren't downplaying the situation, but it is not going to be a tremendous deal for our neck of the woods. It's down in South Florida where they bear the brunt of all of this. Take you in a little bit closer and show you that we've got that rain locally now in our live scan of Fox 35 storm tracker radar, but otherwise it's light to moderate rainfall. There could be another surge coming up the gut of the state. So our forecast modeling in terms of rain opportunity, you can see how that stacks up generally across Brevard County and lesser amounts as you pivot on out to the north and west. So let's talk Brevard County as we look at now through about 4 o'clock this afternoon. You know, there could be some isolated wind gusts of 25 to 30 miles per hour and an additional rainfall tally 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches on the southern end of the county. They're isolated severe weather in terms of maybe a quick brief tornadic spin up once that circulation tries to cut across the peninsula. Timing for us now around the Orlando region looks like from 7 a.m. to about 2 p.m. Winds generally in that range of about 15 to 20. So a breezy weather day today. Isolated severe weather possibly on the south side of Orange County down toward Osceola. That chance now of that actually happening and occurring is actually lessened as we show you the Storm Prediction Center outlook as to what plays out later today. It's a level 1 possible risk for the far southeastern counties here. That's Osceola to Brevard down through Indian River County, and a likely risk, a level 2 outlined there shaded in yellow for our partners down south over the east and southeast Florida Peninsula. As we're tracking the tropics for you, this is a lot of dry air coming in, so might this end a little sooner rather than later, Allison. We'll be tracking certainly, but when we see dry air, we talk tropical weather. It normally doesn't bode well for whatever system is out there. So we'll have that and more of the full forecast will be coming up here in Good Day Orlando in just a short bit. Right now, though, we'll send it on back to you.